Do your videos look flat and boring? Today I'll show you 5 easy color grading tricks in DaVinci Resolve that will instantly make your videos look cinematic, even if you're a beginner. First, always fix your white balance. In the Color tab, grab the eyedropper and click on something neutral in your shot. Instantly, your footage looks natural. Next, add contrast. Instead of just using the contrast slider, try an S-curve. This gives your image depth and makes it pop. Third, always check skin tones. Open the vector scope and make sure skin sits along the skin tone line. This trick alone makes your shots look professional. Fourth, reduce saturation and add a touch of warmth. Filmic looks are never oversaturated, less is more. Finally, add a subtle vignette. This keeps the viewer's eyes on your subject and gives that cinematic finish. And that's it, 5 easy tricks that make your videos look professional. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more quick tutorials.